Welcome back to my channel. And also too, sorry if I'm gonna be like a little bit quiet. It's like 9:30 at night and I don't really want people to hear me, but yeah, I guess what I'm just trying to say is welcome back to 31 days of Allieween. I'm really excited. I've had so much fun creating these makeup looks, and even though like I'm not like a complete expert at makeup, I just had fun. And so you will see in some tutorials that some tutorials are better than other ones, and that's okay. I'm still a beginner. I'm no way a professional at all. I'm just having fun with it, and I thought this would be like a fun way to challenge my creativity along with like my skills, I guess, even though I don't really feel like I have many skills. But yeah, that's about it. If you don't know what Allieween is, it's basically just every day in October I upload a new makeup tutorial every day, and that's about it. So I mean, if I'm gonna rewind a bit, this is kind of my third attempt at it. My first year I called it Allieween, which was, just the H at the beginning and then the alley in the middle, and then that kind of just flopped. And then last year I just stuck to 31 days of Halloween, and I continued it on my Instagram account. By the way, it's going to be linked down below. But the video part, it was a big hassle and like a big technical difficulty, and that wasn't very fun. So this year I've prepared, and I'm hoping I can make this my best try yet. I mean, third time's a charm, right? So we're gonna see. And so yeah, I guess that's just enough of me rambling. Now you know what Allieween is, and now you can, we will just get on into this tutorial. Alright, so first I'm priming my eyelids with the NYX eyeshadow base, and this is the nude shade. And then I'm taking the Scotch tape, and then I'm just putting that on the outer corners of my eyes. Then I'm going in with the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and I'm using the shade Rip, and I'm putting that in my crease. And then I'm taking the NYX Vivid Brights cream color, and this is in the shade Lumiere, and I'm taking that on my lid. And then I'm going to put the shade Good Is Gone from the Born to Run palette on my outer corner. And then finishing off with a nice wing liner with the NYX Epic Ink Liner. Then I'm just taking the Scotch tape off. And next I'm just going to be covering up my blemishes with the NYX HD Concealer in Nude Beige. And then I'm using the NYX HD Concealer in Fair to highlight. And then I'm actually going back with that same cream color that we put on the lid, and I'm using that to kind of put on my forehead. I just made a V shape, but like a curly V shape, and then I'm just applying it to my forehead. And then I took the Snazaroo red paint, and basically I'm just drawing a star right on top of that gold. And then I'm going in with the NYX Photo Focus Foundation in Golden Beige and just blending that in really quick. And I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette in Dulce de Leche, and I'm just contouring that. And then I'm actually taking like a flat shader brush and actually just applying that just underneath like the crown part. And then I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Halo liquid highlighter and applying that on the high points of my face. And then I'm going back with that Epic Ink Liner and just kind of outlining the crown. And then I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. I'm taking that red lipstick shade and just putting that on my lips. And then I'm going to apply some of these Sonia Kashnik false lashes. And then I'm putting on this black wig. Alright, and that is it for this makeup tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun creating it, as well as all of them. All these were pretty fun. But anyway, that's pretty much it for today's look. We will see you tomorrow with a new one, but don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, whatever you want. Also check out my social media, link down below. And if you are a Pure Vita bracelet or a Sand Cloud shopper, don't forget to check out my discount codes that will also be linked down below. And I guess that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow with a new one. Bye.